Hey, I'm Troy Nunez with Whissel Realty Group, and I want to be your realtor. I'm a native-ish San Diegan. We moved here when I was in 3rd grade, and without going into too much detail, that was a long time ago. I've seen San Diego grow up from where I rode motorcycles and horses all through Carmel Valley and like northern Mira Mesa to when downtown was, you didn't go downtown unless you lost a bet. And now downtown is just booming. So it's been great to see this city grow up. I've loved growing up with this city. You know, a funny story is how we moved to San Diego. And I'd love for you to ask me about that. My dad actually won a horse in a golf bet. And that ended us moving to San Diego. I have started up and sold quite a few businesses here in San Diego. One of them was a travel company that I had for 15 years, where I was negotiating contracts, multi-million-dollar contracts with resort developers all over the world, Hawaii, Mexico, the Caribbean, all throughout the US. For the last 20 years, I've also been a contractor, remodeling and rehabbing homes. I've done over 6 of my own investment properties that I've rehabbed and resold, in addition to the homes that I've bought and kept and lived in myself. So the value that brings to your next real estate transaction is my ability to analyze, what could we do with this property? Can we remodel it? Can we rehab it? Can we do an add-on? If this is a home for you to live in or an investment property for you, I would love to be a part of this transaction with you and help you analyze it. You know, the reason I chose the Whissel Realty Group is not only their reputation, ranked #1 in San Diego by the Wall Street Journal, but the training that they do with their entire team. And it doesn't matter if you're a 1-year rookie in the industry or you're a 15-year vet in the real estate game. Whissel Realty, every day we're training. And we are improving our game. We're improving our tactics. We are improving our strategies that we bring to the table for you, whether we're representing you on the buying side or on the selling side. So thank you for taking a couple minutes to watch this video and learning a little bit about me. I really hope that I can be part of your team on your next real estate transaction. I'm Troy Nunez with the Whissel Realty Group. Peace.